live from VivaTech. We have done this workshop together in partnership with HEC Paris and with CDL-Paris here. So I'm extremely pleased to welcome you to our journey, to our workshop this morning. It's a little bit the HEC moment at VivaTech. We had a very close look to the fabulous journey of next-gen computing, discussing with startups, discussing with corporates, with professors of physics, and it has been amazing to see how everybody is now excited.
It all begins with a question. Right now, next-gen computing is really about sustainability, sovereignty, not only about tech. We follow the fabulous journey of an AI request through the system, through the infrastructure, from technology to technology, cracking every bottleneck and also every challenges. Sovereignty, need of investment, also why training, information and schools need to be involved in it. Computing hardware, photonics integrated, it's something that is not for tomorrow, not in 10 years. It's already there, it's already coming. We will see impressive projects that are already doing very good stuff.